Hi, everyone. I'm Roshni Ravindran. I'm an assistant professor at the Darden School of Business. My research focuses on the future of work, and I study questions at the intersection of people and technology. I'm very excited about the UVA Darden South Asia Conference. I'm really looking forward to hearing from our amazing lineup of global leaders and learning about how we can make global organizations more people-centric, more inclusive, and more effective. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind conference with our speakers bringing in diverse perspectives about very important business topics. So I'm really looking forward to it. And I thank our amazing student leaders for their effort organizing this conference.
Hi guys, my name is Vanisha and I'm from India. I'm part of the Darden South Asia Society here, and we are having our first ever Darden South Asia Conference. Our team has put in a lot of effort and they've gathered a lot of panels, and we would love to see you all there. One particular panel that I'm very excited about is the Women in Business, because it brings in perspective from people who have been in tech, who have been investing, and who have been, researching about gender inequality. So I'm really interested to, hear the conversation, and I would love to see you guys there as well.
Hey everyone, I'm Sash Shrestha. I'm from Nepal. At Darden, I'm a part of the Energy Club and the Future of Mobility Club, also part of the organizing committee here for the conference. I am really excited about the Energy Sufficiency panel here. I spent more than 2 years back in Nepal working on energy projects, working on the hydropower side of things, working on renewable projects, and the energy landscape is changing fast. It's everywhere in the world. People are starting to think about how the future will look like for the world in terms of climate, and energy sufficiency and resiliency becomes a key part of that. We see a lot of companies trying to scale up renewable technologies. We see a lot of utility storage solutions being deployed. So I think it's going to be super interesting in the coming days. And this panel would be a great resource for everyone and a great time for everyone to learn more about this. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Chiplunkar. I'm a professor of economics at Darden, and we are organizing the inaugural South Asia Conference, and we would love to see you there. I'll be moderating a panel on Make in India, and hopefully we have a discussion around the government of India's policies to make it self-reliant. So we hope to see you there.
Hi everyone, I'm Narali Kansara, and I'm originally from India and a part of the organizing committee for the first ever Darden South Asia Conference. I'm really excited about this conference, but in particular I'm excited about the fireside chat on technology in healthcare in India. Having personally worked in health tech back at home, I'm really passionate about that topic, so I'm looking forward to the excited discussions that we'll have.
Hi, I'm Jagar Shah. From the batch of 2023, and I'm really excited about the Darden South Asian Conference. With a population of 1.38 billion people, as well as 65% of the people staying in villages, it's difficult to get educational resources to them. And this is why I'm excited about the Tech and Education panel, where Raj is discussing with leaders in the non-profit space as well as in rising educational tech startups that are happening in India. I'm gonna be there. I'm looking forward to see you too. Thank you.
Oh, hello. I'm also excited about the first Global South Asian Conference at Darden, and our classmates have been working really hard on it. One thing you may not know is that when you sign up to attend a panel, the conference is providing a free lunch on both days. So check it out. I'm wearing an apron, but I will not be making the lunches. They're buying them.
Hello everyone, my name is Shion Adiboro. I'm a second year student at Darden and president of the Darden Africa Business Organization. I'm here to remind you about the Darden South Asia Conference starting on the 11th of February. There are multiple speakers and panels, and I'm looking forward to the Entertainment Beyond Bollywood panel. Registration is free and is available at www.dardensouthasiaconference.com. See you soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanya Mittal and I'm part of the Darden South Asia Club, and we're organizing the first ever South Asian Conference, and we're super excited to have you all there. We're having a lot of panels, and I'm really excited about one specific panel the impact that COVID has on startups and the VC ecosystem. I feel that it's a very, very relevant topic for today. And yeah, hope to see you there.